Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and I got another little special surprise. So in today's video, I am showing you my brand new micro FPV quad. This is the Blade INDUCTRIX Pro version. So this isn't the regular INDUCTRIX. So the reason I got the Pro version is because it was only $10 more than the regular version, and it comes with beta flight, so you can actually tune it the way you want, which is really sick. So I'm just going to go ahead and do an unboxing on this, and let's just jump right into it. First things first, let's see how we open. Oh, it's got a little tape right there. Peel this little tape off on the sides. Alright, so first things first, the bottom part of it comes with a bunch of user manuals, always good. And then it comes with its own charger, which is dope. It's a USB charger, so that's always nice. Plus it comes with a 200 milliamp 1S battery. So I have a lot of these for my UMX Yak. So I have 180 milliamp, I have 150 milliamp E-flights, and now I got this one. So I'll be using all of those, and I'll be doing a time difference too to show you what kind of flight times you're getting with both. Or all three, I should say. And now for the good part. Let's see how we open this. Don't tell me there's more tape. Nope, no more tape. All right. So you just pull that top off, get that out of the way. There she is. Wow. That is tiny and light. Ooh, it's a nice camera. I like that. A little tiny antenna. This thing is very light. It feels durable though, not squishy, so that's good. They say they upgraded the frame, so that's good. That's a little battery connector right there, so the battery will slide into that little slot right there. And yeah, it looks nice. There's the USB port right there for beta flight for when you want to tune it. So it's right there under the battery slot, so that's really sick. And it comes with a little canopy, a little blue one. I might just paint this green. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. This is nice though, because this is a nice little travel case too, so you don't need to buy a travel case. This is nice. Even though it's plastic, I feel like it still won't squish. It won't get, look at that, I'm pressing on pretty hard, so that's pretty nice. So you can definitely travel with this. I was wondering how I'm going to travel with it, but I'll just throw it in this thing and take it. And plus I could throw the batteries in there, throw the charger, a bunch of batteries, just line them up, and I'm good to go. So yeah, I will have some footage of me flying it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.